First order of business is to make some delicious oatmeal. Care Queens, welcome back to my channel. Today is the very long-awaited morning routine, and I am going to be walking you guys through my productive morning routine, especially since we are all quarantined and stuck in the house. I have been putting myself first and doing a lot of self-care. This robe is from Pottery Barn. A lot of you guys have asked me about this robe. I love it so freaking much. It was a little bit expensive, but I love it because it has like a hood. If I can get it up, yeah. Oh, and I have my scarf on. Maybe I should take it off. Let's see. Yeah, we'll take it off. Ooh, yes. Okay, so hair is laid because we slept with a scarf on. Oh, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you guys like these types of videos from me. And hopefully it just helps you become more productive and that you guys feel a little bit better after today's video. I love you guys so much, and let's just continue with the rest of the video. I'm going to be putting on the Yes To Watermelon Jelly Mask for a nice smooth complexion. I don't always wash my face in the morning. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It kind of depends on the day. I don't feel like it today because I want moisture. I don't want to strip my skin too much, so I'm going to be putting this mask on, leaving it on for 10 minutes, and then I am going to just rinse it off and tap my face dry. So yeah, we're not going to wash our face today because I've just been in the house too long with air conditioning. I challenge all of you guys to do a mask or something that's self-care related today so that you can feel a little bit better. This is my second time using this, and I liked it the first time. It was so moisturizing, and it's a very like normal, like clear mask, so it's not like something that you're gonna see. It's just a little bit like glossy, I would say, and it smells like watermelon, so if you like watermelon, you'll like this. Okay, so a huge part of my morning is essentially cleaning. We actually clean probably a million times a day, and this right here is where most of my mess is because it's where I get ready, it's where I do my makeup, it's where I do my hair, it's where I film and edit and all of those things. So we're gonna just do a quick little snap and clean because I don't wanna have to put you guys through the cleaning. So this is the before, and this is the after. And now it's clean. Honestly, guys, I clean like a child. I put everything in these double doors, and I'm not opening them. You guys can't see them. But I actually have to wipe down these countertops and everything. I probably am gonna be going through all of these drawers and organizing everything because ever since I've moved in, I've been just like cluttered and have like nothing together. But so far, I'm loving the way this room is looking clean-wise. Obviously, we are gonna be redoing the room, but this will do for now. So there's literally nothing better than to just do a lot of self-care during days like this. I know that this could just be very repetitive for you guys, for me to constantly be stressing self-care, self-love, doing things for yourself, but this is the time to be selfish. With that being said, I figured, you know what? I wanna do laser today. I actually went a very long time without doing laser because I didn't need to do it. My hair didn't grow back. I honestly am just wowed by the results from laser, and I'm going to be doing an entire video dedicated to my updates on my laser hair removal with Kenzie, but I want to do it for you guys in this video because I'm actually going to be doing it today. So I shaved last night because that's what you have to do, to shave and then you have to do laser. And then I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna show you guys my really easy makeup routine that I do when I'm stuck in the house. Now listen, you don't have to wear makeup obviously, but it makes me feel a little bit better. I'm excited, but let's start with laser first. I'm gonna be lasering my stomach, my chest, because I do have hairs right here. I'm gonna laser my arms and a little bit of my legs. All right, let's do stomach first. Done with lasering. Let's see what we got here today. I think I'm going to use Vaseline Cocoa Radiant because it's my go-to and I love it because it's oily. I don't know, that's like a random reason to love it, but I just love that it has like a grease factor to it. You know what I mean? Like I personally love having like legs that look glowy. Sometimes like it's nice to just have them moisturized without any look, which is hardly ever because I like to have them looking from across the room like a disco ball. Hello. I love Vaseline. I'm gonna use the Versali. Ooh, I have like greasy hands now. The Versali Unicorn Lip Mask. Looks like this. I'm gonna use that on my lips. I cannot wait to show you guys my routine for makeup because it's changed so freaking much. And I'm excited to show you guys. I'm gonna probably do my makeup on the floor because what else is new? Let me grab all this stuff for it. My brushes. All my products right here for my makeup. Kosas Tinted Face Oil. First of all, I talked about this in my Sephora haul, my $700 Sephora haul. I didn't use it yet. I just told you guys about it. Game changer. Wait, before I even put that on, I have to use my Pharmacy. Oh, come on, focus. Oh. This is like the worst part about being a YouTuber. Okay, Pharmacy Honey Grail Face Oil. I'm gonna put this on. By the way, I did wash off the watermelon face mask. I didn't show me washing it off. But yeah, so we're gonna take that Pharmacy Honey Grail. It literally comes out like honey. And I'm just going to... Now, something that I love about quarantine and chill is I've been really focusing on my skincare. You guys already know I love my skin anyways, and I do a lot, but I've been really hydrating because I don't play. Now my skin is looking hydrated. What I love the most about this Kosas Tinted Face Oil is it's so buildable. You can go from like really light coverage to full coverage, and you guys know me, I need that buildable look. So I actually am just gonna use my hands today because like I said, this is just an inside the house thing. This is like the type of foundation that you want when you want your face to feel like your skin, like your face, like your actual skin. So I'm just going to take it, and wait, let me see what color I am. I'm in 07, so it's literally like an oil. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, if I can get it to focus on my hand. Okay, that's what it looks like. And you're just going to... Now, sometimes I use a beauty blender depending on the look I'm going for. Like if I'm going for like a really full coverage look day, I'll do beauty blender. But on days like today, where we're just trying to make ourselves look presentable for the house, we just like to use our fingers. So I'm just gonna add more to areas where I feel like it needs a little bit more coverage. But can you guys freaking see that? It looks like skin. Like, what is the difference? It just gave me a little bit more color and coverage. And then you guys can see my hands, like, that is very much like a color. Like it's not like it's like the BB creams that you feel like have like no color. I like a little bit of like definition in my face. I have a very round, basic face that just doesn't like do it for me. So we're gonna go in with my Laura Mercier. What am I saying? Is this Laura Mercier? No, Estee Lauder. What am I saying? Double Wear Concealer. And we're just gonna put that on our eyes, above our like nose, or underneath our nose, I mean, our actual nose. And then like, sometimes I like to do it like, and then I like to go in with my Hourglass. You guys have seen me use this a million times, but this is my Hourglass cheek like contour slash head contour. And then I also like to contour my nose. That doesn't change in this type of circumstance. Sometimes I'll do it and sometimes I don't. Today I'm gonna do it because I'm just going a little bit more extra today. And we're gonna really blend that in today. Like, we don't want any harsh lines. We just want to fool the eye. I want people to think, girl, you weigh 140 pounds, don't you? I'm gonna be like, totally. More like 160. After brows is this new, I think it's pronounced Ilia cheek stain. It's a I Put a Spell on You multi-use stick. It's orange, sort of, and I just use it and I put it straight onto my cheeks like this. And it gives me like a little bit of like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so pretty. My quarantine makeup routine, and I love it. I just feel so fresh and pretty in it. Okay, so usually what I do next is I edit a video, I write in my journal, I read a book. Let me show you guys some of the books that I have that I think you guys should read. I am going to be reading a lot in my mornings because I personally like to read more at morning than night because reading at night makes me sleepy. So I have You're a Badass. I got this from Target. You're a Badass at Making Money. Amazing. Erica Jane's book. Guys, I know I've talked about all these books a million times on my channel, but I'm here to give them to you again. And Gary Vaynerchuk, Crushing It. A little bit about me, I actually don't like to read that often. So if I'm recommending you guys a book, it's because I like it. Right now I'm actually reading How Not to Die. It's about veganism and the food that you need to eat and all of that. So I will let you guys know when I'm completely finished with it what I think of it, even though I already know I like it because it's about being vegan and I've already read a little bit of it and I've actually already spoken about it here on this channel, but I want to finish it so I can give you like an actual real opinion. Oh, and I'll do my morning stretches. So you guys can come with me to do my morning stretch and then we'll be finished for the day. That is pretty much it for my morning routine. I of course am going to continue by doing not so fun self-care things like vacuuming, which is a huge part of my life because we do not have any rug at all in the main area, and food, dust, and every type of particle in the world gets on our floors. So I'm gonna be vacuuming for like the next half hour, but I didn't wanna, bore you guys with that. So this is pretty much the end of it. If you guys want to have a night routine or a full day routine in general, let me know and I will definitely do that. Again, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know any videos you guys want from me during this crazy time. I love you guys so much. I'm about to go vacuum and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.